Vietnam, 1964 to 1975. Prehistory. Vietnam was colonized by France in the 1800s and it named Indochina. During the Second World War, colony was occupied by the Japanese. France tried to re-establish control over the country after the Second World War, which triggered the First Indochinese War. The First Indochinese War lasted from 1946 to 1954. To begin with, the USA will not interfere, but in 1949 they begin to see it as a part of the Cold War. The consequence was the USA supported France politically and economically. In the 1954, USA paid 80% of the war to France. France left Vietnam after losing the Battle of Dien Bien Phu. USA promised air support and supplies to Dien Bien Phu from the USA aircraft carriers, but it never came. After this episode, USA and France didn't have a good relationship since then. Second Indochinese War, 1954 to 1975. Vietnam was divided into a north and a south section. Viet Minh, a socialist state in the north. In the south, a non-communist state was established with France, and the Japanese former ally. The partition of Vietnam was only meant as a temporary solution until the planned nationwide elections in the 1956. Diem rules, 1955 to 1963. Ngo Dinh Diem became in 1955 the United States spite of a new leader of the South Vietnam. He was devoted Catholic, strong anti-communist and anti-Buddhist, who was not personally affected by connections to the French government. In 1956, facing one of the South Vietnam's leading communists, lay down back to Hanoi to convince the government that it should do more for a reunion, but Hanoi hesitated to state a military conflict, fearing that the United States would intervene. Finally, under pressure from the communists in the south, which was threatened by Dimes, secret police autonomized North Vietnam in January 1959. Security did struggle. Diem introduced the new thought anti-communist laws. Weapons and troops from the North Vietnam began to flow south along the Ho Chi Minh Trail. The U.S. increased its contingent in 1964 to 1968. After survival attack, it was divided that the U.S. Air Force bases in the South Vietnam needed more protection than the South Vietnamese army, seemed unable to prove sufficient protection. The March 8, 1965 was 3,500 Marines sent to South Vietnam. It marked the beginning of the American participation in the Grand War. The American public gave overwhelming support to the broadcast because public opinion was based on the war in Vietnam, was a part of global struggle against the communism. Marine soldiers' task was defensive. The first broadcast of 3,500 was almost 2,100. General Westmoreland outlined the 3.2 win the war. Phase 1. Deployment of the US and other troops to turn the war at the end of the 1965. Phase 2. American allies troops initiate major offensive action for the interview and destroy guerrillas and organized enemy. First, this stage is over when the enemy has been worn down. First, onto the defensive and driven away from inhabited areas. Phase 3. If the enemy still held out, would a regular period of 12 to 18 months after Phase 2 to defeat the enemy in the more removed areas. The plan was approved by the Johnson's government. Westmoreland pretended a victory of the end of the 1967. In January 1968, the NLF, National Liberation Front, and the PAVN, People's Army of Vietnam, lured Westmoreland's troops in the Battle of Jiuquan, and they broke the traditional peace that they used to follow the New Year celebration called Tet. They initiated the Tet Offensive in hopes of starting a rebellion in the country. Over 100 villages were attacked. All of the American South Vietnamese troops were surprised by the offensive. They responded quickly and decimated the NLF. Westmoreland's headquarters and the U.S. Embassy was attacked in the city of Hue, captured NLF, imprisoned Seattle and much of the town, and extorted almost 3,000 injuries. Hue was recaptured in the February and March by South Vietnamese troops and U.S. Marines. The U.S. withdrew from Vietnam. During the U.S. presidential election in the 1968, did Richard Nixon peace with honor. His plan was to build the South Vietnamese army up so they could take over the defense of South Vietnam. In the 1969, James the Cambodian Prince Shikaku Polish, it's his name, but I cannot say it correctly. I'm not sure, but yeah, and and NLF and the PAVN was no longer welcome in Colombia. In the 1970, took over the pro-U.S. General Donald Power in the Colombia. The country's borders were closed, and the United States and the South Vietnam began to contract into Colombia to angry in the 1971. Picking documents leaked the New York Times. And the top secret history of the U.S. involvement in Vietnam told of numerous depression of the American people. The U.S. government considered that the publication was legal, as also that back then, but yeah. In the 1971 draw, Australia and New Zealand their soldiers out. The U.S. further returned to the 196,700 with plans to withdraw another 45,000 out of February 1972, while peaceful demonstrations spread in the United States. Grew different in the military. Used the drugs enriched fragging, murdering his officers with the grenades were more common. In 1974 to 1975, total withdrawal. Americans turned against the war long before American political leaders. They began to be those in the U.S. Congress. In December 1974, Congress passed a law stopped all the economic military aid of the South Vietnam. The level of financial support was alarming. Nixon administration at the Johnson's government before it could not give the South Vietnamese and the Eastern agreements for success. Gunners pursued legitimacy after Nixon had recognized it because of the Watergate scandal. Was Nixon nice president Vice President General Ford, President and Signer of the law. March 10, 1975, Advocate General Dong, Campaign 275 in time, eliminated offensive into the plains of central Vietnam, supported by tanks and heavy artillery. The goal was Ban Mi Tao in Dalit province. If the city could be taken, would the political capital and the road of the coast to be open another attack. Planned of the 1976, the South Vietnamese army was not able to stop the attack, and the troops broke down March the 11th. In late April, the South Vietnamese army collapsed on all fronts. April the 27th, surrounded 100,000 North Vietnamese troops Saigon. The city was defended by 30,000 men. The North Vietnamese bombed the airport and bombed the airport. Early in the morning on the 30th, sorry, but was the last U.S. Marines evacuation from the embassy. With several uncomfortable areas, many of them had been avoided by the Americans, but was now left to their fate, and many civilians had suddenly no escape route. Yeah. So the Vietnam War, just short, was mostly about the USA and the Russia, but they didn't do it against each other. They did it on Vietnam, and they paid the Vietnamese to get against the other Vietnamese, even if they were on the same side. So yeah, and then they paid so many money for it, and then there's some other countries in between it, and it was a terrible war. But most of all, I think that the Vietnamese, I feel so sorry for them, because the USA and Russia will fight on Vietnam. It's not fair of the Vietnamese. It could also have been Denmark or something like that, just in case. But yeah, that was all. But yeah, thank you.